Hello, in this Visual Basic video, I am going to assist you on strings. If you watched the variables video, you're probably thinking, yeah, we've already done strings. Is there anything else? Yes, there is. So strings is a object, it's a class, you can use it as a variable, but they have a lot of extra functionality and methods which make them really, really awesome. So first of all, let's just create a string. So I'll call it str string, like so. And I'm going to do str equal hello, for example, and then I'm just going to write it out to the console. So this is no different to what we've already actually covered. Run it, we get hello, that's all good. Whoa, fantastic. So one of the things that we can do is add a string together. I'm thinking, how would that even work? So if I create another variable, let's say if I create dim str2 as string. So str2, I am gonna make that equal to world, so hello world. We could add it together by doing, let's say, dim new str equals str plus str2, and what this actually will result in, I think you can guess, is them literally just strung together, and that is called concatenation. Concaten strings together. There's no space, so we want to add a space. We could create a whole new variable, or we could just inline put a string. So if we do plus and then just put space, and that's it, we get a space. If we wanted something more in there, I don't know, the number 8, we can do that as well. That is all perfectly fine. So that's one simple functionality of it. There's a whole heap of other methods, and let's have a look at another one. So what we could do is dim len as integer. You might be able to guess what we're going to do here. We're going to assign the value of watch this, new str dot length. So we can actually get the length right here. Then we'll do console dot writeline length. So if we run this, we get 11 because there are 5 characters in hello, 5 in world. 5 add 5 is 10, plus the space in the middle. Spaces do count as a character. They're a valid ASCII code, and you get 11. So that is pretty awesome. And if let's say I put 8 there and run it, I get 12 now because there's an extra character. So that's really, really cool. And like I said, there's like so many other pieces of functionality that you could do with it. You can just have a quick look at some of the others. So new str dot, so you can do max, min, you can start removing characters, you can split stuff up based on characters, you can also do change the case as well. So if you want to make it all lowercase or all uppercase. So let me just do this one last one, and then what I'll leave you with is a link that will provide you with all of the different functionality for strings. And as an extra task, I want you to just experiment and learn. Dot writeline, and if I do new str dot to upper. Okay, so if you pay attention to the original one, it's hello world. Only the H and the W are uppercase, and everything else is lowercase. If I run it, the original one is like so, but this one has been all converted to uppercase, which is really useful. You don't have to manually loop over the strings every single time and get a single character and make that upper based on some ASCII equivalent. Like I said, I will provide a link to all of the functionality for strings. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to me. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.